Knitcrate yarn giveaway, and I'm giving away this box with the 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet full of crochet and knit patterns. If you're not already a member, you can join under me. The links are down below. Your first month you get 20% off if you put in the promo code Jewel20. And I just ask that you subscribe, and you also, if you want to participate in this giveaway, comment down below maybe a video you'd like to see or something you're crocheting right now, so you can participate. Come back in a couple weeks and I'll do the random comment picker. So here's the booklet. Here's all the pretty yarns: Stardust, Pavement, Hustle, sock yarns, a knit shawl, and then shawlettes, very pretty, and some socks, pop socks and lace socks. This is the knit shawl. This is knit, and they have crochet. This is the crochet one, very pretty. I love the detail on it. Then these are the knit socks. The pattern is in there. And this is the crochet socks. And the pattern is in there as well. So you get this whole booklet. This is the yarn for the giveaway. Prime cotton, 100%, 266 yards. You get both of these. It's very pretty purple. Very pretty. So you'll get both of those, and then it came with this hook with the stopper. Okay, so thank you for watching. Make sure you're a subscriber, comment down below,